Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the pre-market was showing a very big gap up and Nifty showed 16,273. Bank Nifty was also, but as and when market opened it was not so high, and probably this is to scare the short sellers. Short sellers need this kind of shock therapy because FIIs are also having a huge short positions. But other than that, today's trade, I can say one of the coolest trade for the last many weeks. And from 16,200, Nifty did not even move 25-30 point up or 25-30 point down. And around 12:30 there was some slight jitter, but other than that not a big deal. So today's range, what they call it as ATR, average true range, the distance between the highest point and the lowest point probably should be the smallest in the last few weeks. And Bank Nifty was also very stable, and those who have done straddle, strangle yesterday, everybody had made money. I am talking about short straddle and short strangle, not the long one. And option premiums have come down, and India VIX continued to move lower. Even today India VIX has fallen by more than 4%. Now it is well below 20 point. So that is something really very good for option writers. So at the end of the day, FIIs have sold just 109 crores and DIIs have bought for 35 crores. I think most of the FIIs are on leave today. So TCS has fallen ahead of its results. I thought there will be some short covering in TCS ahead of the results. The reason, 2 weeks before, Infosys was 1500 and TCS was 3400. After 2 weeks, now Infosys is higher than 1500, but slightly like 10-15 rupees only. But TCS is down by nearly 150 rupees. So I thought there would be some short covering, and probably some insiders may know that the result is not going to be very good, but the results came after the market hours. The results was not really very good, but at the same time it was not very bad also, because these are the big companies, mature companies, So there will be some plus minus here, not a big deal. Moreover, Infosys tend to move violently after the results on either side, but TCS normally do not move violently after the results. So in fact, I have taken some trades. If you are interested to know my trade, what I did, I bought 3,400 put option and then sold 3,200, 3,100 and 3,000 put option. And actually I am slightly bullish. I am expecting TCS not to fall below 3,100. So that's why I bought 3,400 put option, then 32, 31, 33,000 put options I sold. So let us see whether I'll be making some money on Monday. This is too soon to say. But I'm hoping to make some money. Otherwise, I know how to adjust the positions. So, US jobs data came at 6 p.m. It came much better than expected. And anyway, US markets were higher for the last 2 days. And so, 2 days, 3 days it goes up, 1 day, 2 days it comes down. So now, after this US jobs data news, Dow future has come down by about 150 to 200 points. It was trading 40-50 point plus, now trading around 140-150 point minus. But anyway, 140-150 point down for Dow is not a big deal. So let us see on Monday how markets react for TCS results. And today evening, we can see how Infosys ADR reacts in the US markets. And because if TCS result is good, then Infosys is also expected to be good. If TCS result is bad, Infosys is also expected to be bad. So how the TCS will react, we can see from the reaction of Infosys ADR today. But just now I check in Infosys ADR is actually down. So by this logic, so TCS may be down, but 1, 2, 3, 4% down is not an issue. But anyway, TCS has less weightage in index than the Infosys. But anyway, so there is a result season just started, but not started very well. But our markets seems to have priced in all the negatives. So who knows, markets may not be reacting that negatively for this news. So after a long time, both call options and put option premiums have come down, and that's because the VIX has come down. There was not much volatility, and people are confidently selling straddles and strangles. So 16,200 straddle people are doing more and expecting some range bound move for the next week. And now this US jobs data has come, and US markets, we have to see if there is any big violent move there. As long as there is no violent move, like plus 200 to minus 200, if Dow closes, so we can expect some kind of stability going forward. The real problem may come 2 weeks later when the consumer price inflation data comes, and of course finally the Fed meeting comes. So until then, people try to capture the time decay, and they are doing straddles and strangles. So anyway, now the way market is moving, 16,000 seems to be a good support, and I said 16,000 to 16,600 maybe the trading range for next few weeks. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.